Hi everyone, I'm Maria and welcome back to Maria Escapes. In this vlog, I want to take you along as I celebrate another year of life. I'll be sharing how I spent my birthday with my son, my friends, and my family, and also the moments I chose to spend by myself. If you've been following my journey, you'll probably know that I love solo travel and spending time alone. There's something so peaceful about celebrating life at my own pace. And since I absolutely love flying, I made sure to include one of my favorite things in my birthday celebration. Whether it's quality time with the people I love or finding joy in my own company, this birthday was exactly how I wanted to celebrate it. So come along with me as I show you one of my most memorable birthdays yet. Let's go. Okay, order. So this is the start of my birthday. We're availing Ramenagi's birthday promo. We only have we're only just we're it's just two of us, but we have another one bowl free.
Yeah. So too good. So I don't have to order extra
Yeah,
anything
sa birthday mo.
birthday. Just, so that means that if during November, I can
Any,
yeah,
actually, yeah.
sign
Any branch.
it's good. Like that.
Look at that. Ayan na yun sa'yo. Oh my God, we have, wow. We have 3 ramens. Tadakimasu.
Okay. Mm.
Lunod na, lunod. We're almost done. Ito pa yung bowl ko.
Nandito na.
Oh my gosh. Leave, look! You have a new iPad. Ah, ayun.
At night I am flooded. I struggle with bad thoughts. I'm under attack from all sides, but it gets better as soon as the sun rises.
Kalimutan ko nga. Ang ganda naman ng dress mo, Liv. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Sige na. Turn
So
around.
I get up and pray until the sun rises.
Are you happy? Liv, kiss mommy, Liv. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. And hello. What a really nice birthday gift.
Yeah, remember when we die, this is all you.
Wow, it's all yours daw when
Yeah.
they die.
When we die and your parents will die.
I'm in Australia by that time.
Feeling.
I'll be married.
West.
Oh, you can give the money to Olivia. To Olivia.
Other way. Wait, step.
Wow.
I'm gonna use you as a reference. Manipis.
Isip, pakikuha nga, lagay ko dito.
Very white.
So, inantay natin yun. Ang tagal.
Hi everyone, hello! I'm back here sa Taguig and nag-spend ako ng weekend ko sa Tanay Rizal. I'm so happy kasi nakita ko si Olivia and also I had a bit of me time, a bit of me time, and also yun, sobrang thankful ako because nag-get together yung family without my sister, of course. Pero nandun yung brother ko, yung family niya, yung son ko, and my daughter sa bahay ng parents ko. And they cooked, ano ba yung kinuluto nila? Spaghetti, pancit. The only request, or the only food that I requested is barbecue. Actually, yun ang naisip ko kasi yun yung gusto ng daughter ko, barbecue. And bulalo, the usual. I don't know, pagka nandun ako may bulalo, siguro na-figure out nila na it's my favorite. It's not one of my favorites. Hindi. It's not really my favorite, but I like it. Marami akong favorite, but it's not bulalo. Okay. Usually, pag birthday ko, it's chicken sopas, but it's hot. It wasn't raining. It was humid and hot today, so tama lang din yung barbecue. So, my brother also gave me cake. Tapos, nag-birthday, kumanta naman sila. They gave me, an opportunity to make a wish. Of course, yung wish ko, I'll keep it to myself. But, I hope, it will be granted. I think, it will. Fingers crossed. So there, I'm already here in Manila. It's 9:35 p.m. July 19, and tomorrow's my birthday. I am excited to turn 41, and I'm a bit psyched because I know tomorrow's gonna be a good day. I'm thinking of going out, going to BPI now. Magbabike ako, but iniisip ko kung kaya ko ba. If I can do it. Because ayoko kasing pumunta ng bank tomorrow. Parang sobrang... It's supposed to be a relaxing day, but... So, yun. But I need to go to the bank. So, I'm thinking I should go tonight. What do you think? Sige. I'll try. Para bago matulog. Ano na tayo? Nakaligo, nagpapawis, nakaligo, and ready to sleep and ready to turn 41. So yun lang, I'm so excited kasi this is actually the first time na I'm celebrating my birthday in my own on my own terms. Yun, yung hindi dahil may pa-birthday yung parents ko, pumunta yung friends ko. I know, last time we had a birthday celebration sa Tanay, and it's a good thing, nandun yung family ko. Pero, andun lahat yun. Nandun yung relatives ko, tapos I had to entertain my friends. Medyo ako, parang, this is not the birthday that I want. Birthday celebration that I want. Gusto ko yung on my own terms, yan. So we'll see tomorrow. I don't have anything lined up. Only one, may dinner kami ni Franco dun pa sa restaurant na gusto niya, not the restaurant that I want, but it's okay. Ganun talaga pagka mommies na.
Ayun lang. Ayun, may nag-greet sa akin kanina. First ever person. I think he's the one. Ayan, ang dali mo nawang ma-fall. Yung second naman, si Royce. Ngayon lang siya, 12-10. Happy birthday, TL. Wish you good health at madaming pera. See you soon. Enjoy your day. Nakakatawa naman. Ayun, yun. Yung akala mo, nagre-revolve yung mundo na parang, kasi kanina, 12 o'clock, tinitingnan ko na, may mag-message kaya? May message kaya? May makakaalala kaya? So, only those, especially Roy. Siguro yung first one, hindi. Kasi parang nabigyan ko na siya ng heads up na, oy, birthday ko mamaya. Parang ganon. Ayun, si Roy, alam niya. He knows me really well. Kilala na niya ako. Like, basta. Basta. Ano kasi, kailan pa ba kami naging mag-friends? 2018? So, that's 8 years of friendship. And nakaka-happy kasi, alam mo yun, parang, kilala na niya ako na, si TL. TL kasi niya ako before. Yeah, si TL, big deal sa kanya yung birthday niya. So, i-greet ko siya. And siguro kasi may work yata siya at this hour. So, ayun lang, nakakatawa. There was a time na meron kaming close friend. Birthday niya. Sabihin natin 20. So, 19 pa lang, inano na namin na, ako personally, birthday niya bukas. I-greet ko siya. Parang ganon. Tapos, nagpa-alarm pa ako. Alam mo, nung ika-21, nung natapos na yung birthday, dun ko naalala. So, pero nag-alarm. It's just that sobrang busy mo. Kaya naiintindihan ko rin na it's not all about you, Jade. Pero there are special ones who would remember na it's a big deal for you. Big deal for you. Yun. Ayun lang. Thank you, Royce. Real time to, Nagbe-video ako, Ayun lang. So, ano ba? Dilemma ko is, anong gagawin ko tomorrow? Kasi, number 1, may hugasin. Ayoko nun. Number 2, may lilinisan na iniwan si Franco sa CR. Third is, puno na yung laundry basket ko. Ayoko maglaba. I don't wanna do anything. Sabi ko nga kay ate, ayun, marami akong gagawin, mga errands, gano'n. Sabi niya, wag! Mag-enjoy ka, huwag kang mag-work, huwag kang magpahinga ka, mag-rest ka. Kilala na ako ng kapatid ko. Ay, nako. So, I'm torn between doing things. For me, siguro ganito na lang. Gagawin ko yung para sa akin. I won't do things for other people. Pwede ba yun? Kung it will benefit me and if that's something that I want, like, kunyari, paglalaba, gusto ko ba yun? It will benefit me kasi aalis ako the next day. So, di ba? Beneficial yun. If it will benefit me, sige, I'll do it. Nakaka-pressure naman tong birthday. Kailangan talagang bongga, hindi naman. Gusto ko lang ng peaceful. Sobrang birthday, actually yung birthday wish na ako kanina. Sobrang okay na yun. Yung nangyari kanina dun sa bahay ng mommy ko, masayang-masaya na ako na, ba't ka naiyak? Although, wala yung ate ko. But it's okay. Happy na ako dun sa fact na, ba't kaninang saya mo, tas ngayon naiyak ka? Kasi, simple celebration na, yun yung gusto ko. Yung hindi ko kailangang mag-show up. Parang, paano ba? Hindi ko kailangan umi-effort pala. Not show up. Umi-effort. I just need to show up. Yun. I just need to show up. Hindi ko kailangan mag-effort. Bagong gising. Actually, wala pa akong ligo. Tapos, yun. Tapos, naganda sila. Hindi na ako ayun, sungit-sungit ako. As usual, siguro sanay na yung family ko sa akin na masungit ako. Wala, ganun talaga. So, yun. Okay na ako dun. Pero sana magkatotoo yung good health at madaming pera. Kasi yung madaming pera, it would definitely help me, my son, and especially Olivia. Ba't may irap? Ba't may irap? Ayun lang. Yun lang naman. Hi. Happy birthday, Jade. 41 ka na. After 1 year. 40 and then plus 1 year. Kasi meron akong binibilang na until 50. Hindi naman deadline sa love or what, hindi naman. Pero it's a deadline wherein may mga goals ako na sana ma-achieve ko. And I have actually written a letter for myself to be read and opened on my 50th birthday. So, we'll see. And sana ma-edit ko to. Ayun lang. Thank you, Royce. Thank you so much to the person who greeted me first. Kahit na na-coach kita. But, ayun. Yun lang. Ang mommy ko, nagtatanong sa love life ko, Mami, print muna. Me as may printing business. Print muna bago love life.
I looked around, but you weren't there. I wasn't okay, but you didn't care. Never so bad, not in my life. I gave you my heart, but you twisted the knife. You kept your doubts close to your chest. You cast me aside when I gave you my best.
Here's my outfit. Ka-red ang birthday girl. Ang grab. Nagtapon ng basura si Frank. Ito pa yung
Before we go in, we're gonna use the CR and SMR.
Yeah.
In order to prevent the unwarranted exposure of sensitive AMLC methodologies and information, to submit the record 16 camera to the presiding officer through the clerk of court first, on July 30, 2026 at 9 a.m., who shall review these documents privately before turning them over to the parties as may be warranted. Companies Inc. and Pigimong Philippines Corporation is hereby denied for failure to satisfy the requirement of prima facie evidence. The Commissioner is directed to make the appropriate return to this court in accordance with the law on July 30, 2026 at 9 a.m. before the clerk of court. The court shall await the return before taking any.
We're here at SM Para. Nag-CR lang si Frank. Ang init sa Pilipinas. Pero nilalaban natin ng damit. Because it's my birthday. Kailangan naka-red. As a red girl. Si Franco. Hindi yung color ng skin ko sa mukha ko. Hindi pantay. Ramdam ko na yung init. Doon na kami sa pinakamataas. Lapit na sa Pabits. Ito yung unang kinuha.
Double.
Ha?
Double
Yeah, twice. The tempura. Sarap. This one. Ewan ko lang kung may ganun pa rin sila. Here.
Yes. Ano ba to?
Ganda sana bagong luto, pero okay.
When was the last time we went here?
Ha? Wow! So what did you get?
Fried katsudon.
Oh yeah. So I got chawanmushi. I'll eat it and then this one.
Wow. Oh, you got some, ano pala? The others.
Tuna? Yeah.
Very soft.
Yeah. This is the second batch. I had 3 chawanmushi. Nag-order pa ako ng 2. Sobrang tipid niyan dahil egg lang yan. Ang sabi niya, ano ba yan? Sabi niya, parang it feels wrong. Kasi walang tao. Kasi Monday eh. Nasanay ka kasi ng maraming tao. Na maingay, Japanese, maraming nagpo-birthday, gano'n, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero kasi iba, di mo, parang konti lang. Parang 5 groups lang kami. Which is good kasi yan ang gusto ko. Hello! Yung tuna sa isang sushi. Oh, okay ka pa? Ikaw yung may tunay na birthday. Siyang may tunay na birthday. Ito yung preferred niya. Wow.
Something cold naman. Just grab a bit. Then, dalawa-dalawa.
Oishi ah. Wow.
Complete. Parang
Ang
nagdami.
galing mo na to. Ah. Parang masarap ng ramen mo. May chasu ka pa.
Ikaw, wait. Ay! Chance ka.
Pero parang mas maganda yung chasu mo.
You want?
Sigat na. Sa person na mahilig sa marshmallow. Wow.
After this, ice cream and then probably.
Pero nag-ice cream ka na kanina.
After dinner, we went around SM Aura to do some window shopping, and of course, I would drop by a Gashapon store every time I go out.
Nabasa na nila, hindi lang sila nag-reply or hindi na not.
We're here in Muji. And this is my son's favorite store, Muji. And the first time he was here or he went to Muji was in Taipei and he loved it.
Like, di ba sa Tanay may Starbucks?
Yeah.
For me, that Starbucks has one use case.
What?
It's to buy croissant.
And we dropped by Starbucks to get my birthday treat.
Hey, we're here in Starbucks. Because we love going to Starbucks.
No, it's you.
Hindi naman. Hindi.
I haven't been,
You haven't ordered?
yeah, it's like once in a blue moon, so I don't know how things work.
That's why in Tanay, Starbucks, there's
The video.
how to order. Like, what's the name of the sizes? Venti.
Dami natin coffee sa bar.
Yun.
It's not the cheap coffees.
Oo, no? We're here in Starbucks. And kinukuha namin yung
Free cake. Of course, we ordered the most expensive cake. Yung triple chocolate mousse. Worth 325. Grabe.
one whole cake in
Kaya nga.
Goldilocks.
100 ribbon.
Yung lollipop. I think I wanna try the lollipop next time.
Lollipop? Dito? Lagi kang... Parang... Ganon, di ka na nagbago.
When the...
Bata ka, lagi kang may ganyan. You don't remember, of course.
It's like 50 pesos for...
Yeah. Oo. Binibilan kita lagi ng lollipop sa Starbucks. I don't know why. Kasi lagi akong tambay ng Starbucks before eh.
Parang yun lang yung...
You wanna taste ba? 50 lang naman yan.
No. I will buy it when school days.
Ah, okay.
Para ano, it's like... Guys, Starbucks ako, pinitin na lollipop.
Lollipop. Isa nga pong lollipop. Yan yata yung unang luggage ni Tita Lai. But ganito ka lightweight, 1.8. Tapos ito, magkano to? 9,000. Okay to ah. Grabe. 1.8, tinalo niya yung ano ko. American Tourister ko. Busog. Laki ng tiyan eh.
Bloated.
Hi everyone, good evening. So, it's currently 11:26 p.m. And matatapos na yung day, matatapos na yung birthday ko. Pero hindi nagtatapos ang birthday celebration. Ay, bongga naman pala. So, ano ba? What I did today. So, I slept around, I don't know, parang medyo late yata. Late na ako nag-sleep. Mga 1 or 2. I think 1 or 2. Tapos, nagising ako ng surprisingly, maaga. Like, girl, dapat tulog ka, di ba? So, ginawa ko, bumangon ako, and tumingin lang ako ng mga payables. Even if ayokong tumingin ng payables, I need to. Kasi, ano yun? Hindi natatapos ang responsibilities mo kahit na birthday mo. Wala silang pake. So, ginawa ko, tumingin ako ng payables and then, bumalik ako matulog. Like, literal siya. Gising, tulog. Pagkagising ko, tulog. Balik sa kama. Yung gano'n. Diretso. Parang talaga, yung talagang pag ganun. May, actually, kasi sa tabi ng bed ko, merong malaking mirror. Talagang na makikita mo yung sarili mong pahiga. Yung ganon. Medyo dramatic pa nga. Wala namang video yun. Pero, hindi ko alam kung anong ganap ko kanina. Basta ganon. Tulog. Tapos, nagising ako. CR lang. Tulog. Tapos, nagising. Tulog. Until such time na around 12 o'clock. So weird kasi pagising ko, umupo pa ako dito sa desk ko dito. Office area ko. Tapos, wala. Nag-phone lang ako. Parang, okay, anong gagawin mo, Jade? Ayokong lumabas. Pero kailangan ko lumabas. Kasi, kailangan ko pumunta ng bank. So, rinag ko yung self ko para pumunta ng bank sa McKinley Hill. Tapos, sa Venice Mall, tapos nag-withdraw ako, dumaan na rin ako ng marketplace. Yung dapat na bibilin ko, hindi ko pa nabili, which is dishwashing soap. Pag uwi ko, parang, hindi ko nabili. Anyway, ito na. Ngayon, inutusan ko si Franco. So, kung Franco, punta ka ng PMO, bayaran mo to. Kasi kailangan ko to para isend sa tenant. Ngayon, yung isang line dun sa bills ay hindi na bill. Hindi na bayaran. Ano ba to? Wala rin kwenta. Pero sige lang. So, sabi ko sa tenant, pwede po ba tomorrow na lang? Kasi alis kami. So, yun. After that, 4 o'clock na, bilis ng araw. Ayun. Prepare na kami. Punta kami ng SM Ora. Tapos, kumain kami doon sa Ogetsu. what's funny kasi, it's Monday, right? And, syempre, off-peak. Tama ba? Off-peak. Ngayon, yung son ko, ina-expect na maraming tao, maingay. So, he was really expecting that. Pagdating namin, parang nilalangaw, parang gano'n. Parang, ang layo-layo, parang 5 lang. Kung ako yung business owner, na parang, oh shit, malulugi yung, yung restaurant ko, parang gano'n. So, sabi niya, okay to. Actually, na-enjoy ko na-enjoy ko. Kasi, wala nga masyadong tao. Hindi maingay. And, ayoko nung yung kinakantahan pa. Dati gusto ko yun, yung kakantahan, isa-surprise ka ba ng happy birthday. Ngayon, ayoko na nun. So, sabi ko, pagkakantahan niyo ako, pwedeng wag na lang. Sabi ko, pwede. Sabi niya, oh, sige, okay lang po, ma'am. Ganun. So, yun, kumain na kami. Sabi ni Franco, something's not quite right. Not quite right. Yun, naging NQR store. Ganon. So, sabi ko, okay pa din. Okay pa din. We can still order. We can still order food. They were actually helpful. Tapos, alam nila na birthday ko kasi hello, naka-red. Ako lang yung pulang-pula dun. Tapos, ayun, after that, naisip ko, kunin ko na yung Starbucks treat. Binigyan kasi ako ng, basta, I think everyone knows this, na if you use Starbucks rewards, you get a Starbucks gift or treat. Pwedeng drink, pwedeng cake. So, sabi ko kay Franco, supposedly, bukas ko pa gagamitin sa airport. But, na-realize ko na I'm using Terminal 3 and not Terminal 1. So, walang Starbucks ngayon sa Terminal 3. So, hindi ko rin siya magagamit. 7 days lang yun. And, beyond 7 days ang trip ko. So, pagbalik ko dito, expired na siya. So, hindi ko magagamit. So, sabi ko kay Franco, bilhin na natin or i-avail na natin to. Food coma na si Franco. Gusto na niya umuwi. Sabi ko, i-take out na lang natin. Wag na yung drink, cake na lang. So, we ordered yung cake. Nakakatuwa kasi yung cake na yun. Yun yung sabi ko, Franco, kunin natin yung pinakamahal. Parang, wala na kami pakialam kung ano yung flavor ng, or anong klase ng, kung anong type of cake yung bibili na. Kasi pinakamahal. So, sabi niya, yun, 325 per slice. So, yun. We ordered that. Parang triple chocolate mousse. Ganon. Anyway, ayun. And then, we ended the day going home. Pagdating ko dito, I just talked to a friend, responded to some messages. Ayun, syempre, yung mga totoong nakaalam yung birthday ko, they already greeted me even without posting that it's my birthday. Ang nag-trigger lang naman nun si Lian kasi parang tinag niya ako doon sa parang happy birthday, Day, sana feeling ko tulog ka buong araw, parang gano'n. Tapos nire-post ko, so everyone saw that it's my birthday. Pero most of my friends who really knows me and alam nila na very important yung birthday ko, nag-greet na sila. Even kahit walang notification sa Facebook. Kasi, just so you know, ang birthday ko sa Facebook ay fake. Hindi yun yung totoong birthday ko. Because ayoko yung random people just messaging you, happy birthday. When, girl, hindi ka naman talaga happy for me. Ganon. Gusto ko, when you say it to me, totoo. Hindi yung HBD. Pet peeve ko talaga yung HBD. Talagang tamad na. Ganun. So, yun. Okay naman. Busog na busog ako. Food was good. It wasn't great, but it's okay. For a birthday perk, okay na din. So, yun lang. Today, since 30 minutes na lang, I have to pay a bill. And I'm going to do the laundry na parang hinold off ko for a day kasi nga birthday ko. Actually, hindi lang laundry, cleaning, everything. Kasi I like going back to a house that is clean. Ayoko, automatic akong nababad trip pagka umuwi ako from work, from trip, basta yung pag-open mo ng pinto tapos madumi. ano na ako niyan, instant triggering, automatic monster, gano'n. So, yun, hindi ko siya napipigilan. Ano siya, automatic siya. Parang wala akong pakialam kung sino makakita sa akin, galit ako. Basta magagalit ako. I don't know, that's just me. Ayan lang, so I'm going to clean the house before leaving tomorrow. I'm so excited kasi I'm going to fly Singapore Airlines. Yun, I'm so excited. Yun talaga yung birthday gift ko for myself. And birthday gift ng Singapore Airlines for me. So excited kasi makikita ko na ang favorite airline ko for the past few trips. Puro ko Philippine Airlines. Naks. Pero ito, this time, Singapore Airlines, and this is not booked via trip.com. Ayan lang. Share ko lang, kahit naman wala kayong pake. Ano ba yan? Nag-ano pa ako ng tenga. Ayun lang. Excited ako, but overwhelmed din sa mga gagawin kasi parang tambak siya. Yun lang. Happy birthday to me. Sana mag-grant yung wish ko. Thank you sa mga nag-greet sa akin. Yung totoong they wish me happy birthday. Happy naman. Yun. So yun, happy naman ako.
So that sums up my birthday celebration from July 17th to 20th, from spending quality time with my family to celebrating it exactly the way I love, making memories and enjoying every moment with them. This vlog ended up being a little longer than I expected, so I'll be saving the next adventure for part 2, where I'll take you with me on my birthday trip to Phuket, Thailand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Marie Escapes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Ang pinaka-favorite aircraft ko, A350.
Slide down sitting upright. Inflate your life vest